Okay, what do we have today?
When you need a small, high reliability connector, who can you trust? A Gecko, specifically Harwin's Gecko Screw-Lok series, part of the low-profile, dual-row, 1.25mm pitch Gecko connector family that's up to 45% smaller and 75% lighter than Micro D connectors. The Gecko-SL offers stainless steel screw fixings for maximum retention and strain relief, and all screw fixings are Mate-before-Lok for fast, easy mating before engaging the screws. The connectors are based on Harwin's patented 4-finger beryllium copper contacts for reliable contact under heavy shock and vibration, and they support 1,000 mating cycles. Each gold-plated contact has a 2.8 amp current rating, and all contacts simultaneously are rated for 2.0 amps each. For EMI-sensitive applications, Harwin offers matching lightweight aluminum backshells that accommodate metal braiding for effective shielding and cable protection. Harwin Gecko-SL connectors are ideal for cable-to-board and board-to-board applications that require high reliability over a long product lifetime.